Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now. Open Chrome and navigate to Chrome//settings/search engine. You'll see the default engine listed. Switch it to Google if Bing is selected. Once done, sign out of Chrome Sync so changes don't immediately reapply across devices. Next, click Manage Search Engines and remove any Bing entries that look unfamiliar. Make sure you're using the correct profile. Extensions and synced settings often reintroduce a hijack, so stop sync to prevent automatic rollback. Now remove the middle culprits. Open Chrome//extensions and toggle off or remove anything you don't recognize. These often change search behavior. Once done, right-click your Chrome shortcut, open Properties and ensure the target field ends with Chrome. EXE only, delete any appended search URLs. Then run a focused anti-malware scan to remove persistent hijackers. Also open Chrome//settings/reset and choose to restore settings to their. Finish by explicitly setting Google as the default search engine, clear cache and cookies, then restart Chrome so changes take effect. Once everything looks correct, re-enable sync but verify other devices are also clean to avoid reintroducing Bing. If the issue keeps returning, create a new Chrome profile or fully reinstall Chrome to remove lingering configuration. Troubleshooting tip: if a reinstall fails to help, a thorough anti-malware boot scan or editing the host's file/registry may reveal persistent redirects. Address those before restoring data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.